Ka Deborah marak kanoyalam jong ka parti Kongres. Kalau ong banakaliang ka parti Kongres hi kan omtre banthit ikin nong vote. Henry lada ki pajba ki sngotenat ka parti. Klempep kin ai ka Jingkhun ki kertong jong ka parti. House nam arhajar arpolai. Kalaban rap susu da ka baong baka parti kala don lupa ki vote bank. Hakaba de na kini ki vote bank hi baka parti. Ka juyo ra ka jingjom. Komta la jutrei bat penskam bha ka tenrai jong ka parti. Habai dei baka jingi no jong ki MLA ka parti. Kalau ong bakam tharai baka ne ka jingi jong ki MLA kan kta AA ka parti. Namar kum kane ka jinglong jingman ladep banyu I hakipor menswaru. Namar kum balong mentahi kinong vote kim ju ai vote ye ubreu Henry ki ai ka parti. Susu kalau ongru ba house nam arhajar arpolai hi ka Jingkhun kan long Tang Hapdeng ka parti NPP bat ka Kongres namar badai tang ka parti Kongres bat ka parti NPP ki ba biang ki vote bank ka jongki. Habai dei ba ka All India Trinamool Congress kan omla ban poi she ru namar bakam don ki vote bank haba kini ki MLA ki lalej ban penyeso bat ka All India Trinamool Congress ki lej shimen om ba ki lej lang ba kinong tap vote ki jongki.
I don't think so. We have in the past also. Remember when P.A. Sangma left the party? Finally, he became a leader of 2 MLAs, Songsak and James constituency. So when voter really gets angry, so they will not vote for the leader. They will vote for the party. We have vote bank. So we always go with the grassroots level. Because of them only we are winning. Because of them only we become leader. So we are very much hopeful we will do well in 2003.
Out of 24, how many?
24, but not possible. We have tried how much to get it. No. I don't think so. If you compare now and that time P.A. Sangma's time, you go back, you look at the biodata of P.A. Sangma. He was a superhero of Congress, but he zeroed down later on. I don't get it. What did you ask?
How do you term this move of Dr. Mukul to switch to Trinamool?
It is his personal choice, and up to date. Yes, I don't have any answer today. I think he will answer. Yes, you go and ask him. He will know better. We don't want to act. We don't want to react. We don't want to comment. It's his personal choice.
Will there be any pre-poll alliance? Because there were some reports that Pala is approaching NPP.
That is maybe, just you are getting this report and all. Of course, it is good. But as of now, we have not done it. After election, definitely, yes, we will think of it. Any decision. Because we are thinking the Congress will do well. That's why we have not.
How will you resurrect Congress? You don't have.
No.
You don't have resources.
Resources.
AICC also in a weak position. You don't have leaders. I mean, the sitting MLAs.
And you're going to the election.
So how will you resurrect?
Jose, do you want us to show our resources, our bank account? If people really like us, we don't need money. People will vote for us.
We have a voters.
Of course, for mobilization and all we need. But to buy a voters, I don't think we need money.